Welcome to Soul Society, your sanctuary for natural healing and timeless beauty. Today, we're unlocking the secrets to healthy, radiant skin using pure, natural ingredients you can find right in your kitchen. Oily skin occurs when your sebaceous glands produce too much sebum, the natural oil that protects and hydrates the skin. While sebum is essential, excess amounts can lead to clogged pores, blackheads, and acne. The good news is, with the right natural care, you can balance oil production, keep your skin fresh, and restore its healthy glow. The skin is the only organ of the body that is shown and appears in broad daylight. The skin is the only organ of the body that is shown and appears in broad daylight. That is why the photos in dermatology manuals are so frightening. The skin is indeed the seat of appearance. It is also largely the seat of beauty, even if it shares this role with the distribution of muscles and fat, and of course with the skeleton. In the embryo, the nervous system and the skin are initially one, ectoderm, before separating. This means that no skin problem occurs without an emotional cause and without also having consequences on those same emotions. Emotion and beauty, these are the two key words of the skin, this large organ spread over the outermost part of our body. Concerns about the quality of the skin and its appearance are as old as humanity. Long devoted exclusively to women, these concerns today increasingly often affect men as well. Thanks to its cleansing and astringent properties, cucumber fights oily skin, purifies the skin, removes impurities, and tightens pores. Cut the cucumber into slices. Place the slices over the entire face and wait 20 minutes. Do every day if possible. Wash the cucumber in clear water and dry it. Cut it into pieces. In a bowl, put the cut pieces and add a cup of whole milk. Blend with an electric mixer to obtain a smooth preparation without lumps. Cleanse the face with a cotton pad soaked in the milk, cucumber mixture. Rinse with lukewarm water. Rich in vitamins and trace elements, tomato is excellent for the skin, especially when it is oily. Wash the tomato and cut it into slices, removing the juice. Apply the slices to the face, then lie down, keeping them in place, if necessary, with a strip of cloth. Leave for about 15 minutes. Known for absorbing sebum, egg white is recommended for oily skin. It may also help to firm the skin. Crack the egg and keep only the white. Mix it with honey and add just enough flour to form a paste. Apply the preparation as a mask on the face, avoiding the eye contour. Leave for about 10 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Thank you for joining me here at Soul Society. I hope these simple, natural recipes inspire you to care for your skin with love and intention. Remember, true beauty begins with balance, inside and out. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more natural wellness wisdom. Until next time, stay radiant.